Welcome to another episode of Fluent English in Real Life. Today's story takes place at the airport. You will hear real-time English conversation between Sarah, a young traveller, and several airport staff. Ready? Let's begin. Sarah, thinking. It's my first solo trip. I'm so excited and just a little nervous. Sarah, to security. Hi, is this the entrance for international departures? Security guard. Yes, ma'am. Please show your passport and ticket. Sarah. Sure, here you go. Security guard. Thank you. You may proceed. Have a safe flight. Check-in agent. Good morning. Where are you flying today? Sarah. Hi, I'm flying to London. Agent. Great. May I have your passport and ticket, please? Sarah. Here they are. Agent. Thank you. Do you have any checked baggage? Sarah. Yes, just this suitcase. Agent. OK, please place it on the scale. That's good. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is B12. Sarah. Thank you. How long is the walk to the gate? Agent. About 10 minutes. Just follow the signs. Security officer. Please place your electronics and liquids in the tray. Sarah. Sure, do I need to remove my shoes? Officer. Yes, please. Sarah. OK, all set. Officer. Great, you're good to go. Buying coffee at the airport cafe. Barista. Hi, what can I get for you today? Sarah. Hi, I'll have a cappuccino, please. Barista. Would you like any pastries with that? Sarah. I'll take a chocolate croissant too. Barista. That'll be $8.50. Cash or card? Sarah. Card, please. Sarah finds her gate and takes a seat, sipping her coffee and reviewing her travel itinerary. A voice comes over the speaker. Attention passengers for flight 216 to London. Boarding will begin shortly at gate B12. Sarah, smiling. Here we go. Did you enjoy this real-life airport story? Comment below. I'm ready to travel. Practice the dialogue by repeating it aloud. Subscribe for more real-time English practice. And don't forget to like this video to help others learn too.